Jack.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to be teaching you an old recipe that is so good, and it's perfect for the 4th of July to put out as an appetizer. It's a Vidalia onion pie or casserole. I've got some recipes that, will fit perfect in a pie pan, but I think we're going to use this size. So we needed 4 Vidalia onions quartered, and we boiled those. But now we have to saute them in the butter and soften them just a little bit more. So you want to put those in there. I got your butter in there.
So is this a type of dip, or what are we?
Yeah,
okay.
You eat it with crackers.
Oh, okay.
Well, it would be great along with a charcoal steak.
Yeah.
But it's a great appetizer too. So, Lulu.
Why are you being sassy?
Because she ate her breakfast finally, and now she wants a treat. It's pay time. It's time to pay up because I ate my breakfast. I don't have any real good treats, Lulu. I don't have any real good treats. Let's see. Let's try this. You want to try this one? If I can get it open. There you go. Not even a thank you. Not even a thank you from her.
Well, what's next after we start to get these in the butter?
Well, we're going to let them cook for a minute.
Okay.
But we're going to mix up our eggs, our 5 ounces of evaporated milk, half the breadcrumbs, and the cheese.
All right. All right.
Okay, perfect. Now the cheese.
And then what's
evaporated milk. This evaporated milk makes the best macaroni and cheese.
I don't think I've ever had evaporated. I think I've had it on snow cones before, funny enough.
Oh no, you're talking about
condensed, sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk.
That would be good on snow.
Yeah.
So now we just need to let those onions cook a few minutes in the butter. So Jack, you have to ball these Vidalias first, and then you want to saute them.
All right. Well, what we're going to do over here real quick, we're going to take half of our bowl of our crushed crackers. We're going to scramble these into our mixture. But we're going to save the other half because we have a bowl of melted butter here. When we put these on the top, Guinea was telling me she likes it to where everything is covered, not just the all around. So I think that's a very good idea. We're going to do that.
Yes. So you can just pour that butter right in that bowl.
Okay.
And give them time to drink up that butter. And you want to ball these until they're tender, y'all. And then you don't have to get these like you're making onion soup where you have to really get down. But we're getting close. They're getting a little more tender, and they're bathing around in that butter. This casserole is so easy, Jack. Do you need some more butter?
Maybe a little bit more might be nice.
Where's that bowl?
There you go.
And you can just get you what you think you need. Yeah, that wasn't enough butter. I didn't.
A little bit
more. Enough butter, yeah. And you can just put it in the microwave.
Okay.
Okay, I think these are nice and tender. But, Jack, we don't want scrambled Vidalia onion pie. No. So we're going to need to transfer these and let them cool a little bit.
All right.
let's see. I think I'll just put them right in here. This is a nice cold bowl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And get every little piece in our bowl. Okay, I think I did it. All right, now I'm probably to rush this up. I think I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator.
Oh yeah, smart.
And let it cool, because we sure don't want to cook those eggs. Jack, I don't know why I put those in a deep bowl, honey, because they ain't gonna get cool that way. So I spreaded it out. So now we're gonna mix that in.
Okay.
And you see I got my handy dandy spatula where I can get all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Yes. All that good onion flavor. And like I said, this is so good, you know, to serve along with a charcoal steak. But I also like it as a dip. And if you get out some spray, yeah, there it is. You know, just a little bit in case it wants to stick. So that's it. All you do is stir those together.
Yeah, that's so easy.
So easy. The longest part is boiling your onions. You know, getting them right.
And how long does that go in the oven for?
I don't know what, you know,
375 for 35 minutes.
Yeah, that sounds close enough.
Yeah.
But like I do things that suits my equipment that I have, you know. So I just adjust my equipment. Okay. This is gonna be so good. Have you ever had this before?
I don't think so.
I know I hadn't made it for you. Because usually when y'all come over and we cook, I don't know what that was, but I didn't like it.
So will the crumbs go on now and they bake with it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I say. You don't want to bake it too long because you don't want those to get like black, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, just spread them out evenly the best you can.
Probably could have saved a bit extra. Probably might have put a little bit too much in there, but I think we'll be good. There'll still be a good crust on it.
And to me, it's easier for me to do it that way. But you don't shake like I do. So you got more control over the spoon. Yes. Good. So I do love those crumbs on top.
Yes, ma'am.
Just like the dessert. Okay, babe.
All right.
In the oven, 30 minutes, depending on your oven.
All right.
And those Vidalia onions are out of this world, y'all. What you think?
That looks delicious.
The taste test will be the truth.
Okay, so what are we tasting it with?
Well,
crackers today?
like I said, this would be wonderful as a side by a charred grilled steak or barbecued or grilled chicken, any of your proteins. Can you see if you can get that open, son? I tell people that I spend half of my life looking for something, and the other half I spend trying to get it open after I found it.
There you go.
But I like to serve it as an hors d'oeuvre or an appetizer. And it's going to be hot as a $3 pistol, honey.
I'll cool it off.
Yeah.
Try it. But it does look good.
You had to boil it more than that.
That's good.
Yeah, I think I might rather.
Yeah.
Since we got it started, just do it that way. But I want you, well, I can't get it. It's so hot.
Yeah.
But I want your honest opinion.
I will.
And I also have a recipe for Vidalia onion pie, which is a little different from this. And I actually do it in a get back in there. I just love it. Isn't that
It's
yummy?
very good. Tastes little bit eggy, and the cheese. I should do like that a lot. It's delicious.
Would you like to take some home for Mom and Dad?
I'll take some home for me.
Okay. So good.
So, happy 4th of July, y'all. It's perfect. Perfect dish.
Perfect appetizer. Until you get those ribs finished cooking. Love y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.